Woodpeckers number 94 Dual Beam Scribe takes a 20th century classic tool and updates it with space-age manufacturing techniques. With 2 marking gauges in an aluminum frame that doubles as a square, it's perfect for laying out hinge mortises and so much more. Our shop has been hard at work manufacturing this OneTIME tool, so let's take a look behind the scenes and see how the Dual Beam Scribe is made. The 3-step milling process starts at one of our state-of-the-art CNCs, where the body of the tool is shaped out of solid blocks of aluminum. In the second operation, the ends of the tool are milled and drilled. Then we check for tolerance with a probe inside the CNC mill. In the third operation, the other sides of the tool are milled and the edges are chamfered with an edge breaker to give the tool a nice hand feel and uniform look. After the milling cycle is complete, the aluminum chips and residual coolant are blown off and the parts exit the machine. The machine operator inspects each part to ensure they meet our strict tolerance before heading off to be anodized in our signature Woodpeckers red. The parts then head to our laser department, where we engrave precision scales on the beams and body of the tool. Finally, they're assembled, packaged, and shipped directly to your shop. Like all of our OneTIME tools, the number 94 Dual Beam Scribe is only available for a limited time. And we make each one at our shop in Strongsville, Ohio. Check our website in the description for ordering details, or sign up for our emails to be the first to know each time we release a new tool.